everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a powdered pumpkin face wash in the spirit of fall because fall brings pumpkin everything. So let's get into it. So first let's take a look at the formula. This is the formula written in percents. If you didn't know, cosmetic recipes are written in percents. That way you can easily scale it to however much you want to make. If you aren't sure how to transfer a formula written in percents to a recipe in grams, I will link down below to my video that explains to you guys exactly how to do that. And for this recipe, you are going to need kaolin clay, sodium cocoa isethionate, I struggle saying that, so I'm going to say SCI for the rest of this video, flaxseed powder, arrowroot powder, Formulator Sample Shop's pumpkin powder, and colloidal oatmeal. I'm going to be making a 30-gram batch, and I'm combining everything in this beaker here. So I'm going to be starting with the arrowroot powder. I'm going to be adding in 13.65 grams of it, and this is essentially like the filler. You want to think of it as like the water, and this can also help soften the skin, balance oil production, and help fight blemishes. Next up is 6 grams of SCI. This is the cleansing agent, and this has a pH of around like 6, so you don't have to worry about this product having a really high pH at all. Then we have some kaolin clay. I'm adding in 6 grams of it, and this kind of acts like a texturizer. It'll help thicken up the face wash a bit when you add the water to it. It can also help unclog pores, tighten skin, and help control oil production. Then we have 0.15 grams of Formulator Sample Shop's pumpkin powder. This has a very faint scent of pumpkin to it. You probably won't smell it in the finished product, but this ingredient is a rich source of gently exfoliating enzymes, antioxidants, beta-carotene, and many other vitamins and minerals. Then I'm going to be adding in 3 grams of colloidal oatmeal. This helps soothe stressed, blemished, and irritated skin, and can even help relieve dry and itchy skin. Then lastly, we have 1.2 grams of flaxseed powder, and this kind of acts as a mild exfoliant because it won't dissolve in the water. So I just mixed everything together. And then I decided to add in some orange mica powder just to make this thing, you know, more seasonal and fun. We want some orange because it reminds us of pumpkin and fall, right? At least it reminds me. And yeah, I just kept adding some until I got my desired color. So then I grabbed a 2-ounce plastic bottle. This 2-ounce bottle fits a 30-gram batch perfectly. And I just poured everything in. You want to make sure you have a funnel, or else this will be way too stressful to get it all in the bottle. And there you go. Now you have your pumpkin face wash powder. I made a little label to add on it. If you want to know how I make my labels, I will link down below to my video that explains to you guys how to do that. And there you go. There's the finished pumpkin face wash. This stuff is like so much fun to use, and it's so unique and different. So if you've never tried a powdered face wash, I highly recommend it. As you can see, they're freaking easy to make and they're fun to use. If you aren't sure how to use them, all you gotta do is obviously add some powder in your hand and then start adding in some water and mixing it up until the powder fully dissolves. And you'll have this nice, beautiful, luscious lather that will clean your face. It's freaking amazing. This stuff is like, I don't know why it took me so long to make a powdered face wash, but now I'm obsessed with them. And if you've ever tried a powdered face wash, let me know what you think of them down in the comments below. And that's it for today's video. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Later. At Stardust Bath & Body, Nature's Farm Girl, Kennedy's Essentials, LettsBlend, Wallflower Wildflower, Heartfelt Beauty, KAJ Bath & Body, Blue Mint Soaps, Salt Air Label, Lenice Beauty, Shark City Naturals, Ohana Lay, Danny Botanicals, at Nino55, K & Cool, Hempy Girl, Brie Maquillage, Alchemy and Clay, Bible Belt Boutique, London Latris, Naturally Flawless, Beauty by Riza, and Fijab Spa. I also sell skincare products myself over on Etsy. I'll have my Etsy shop linked down below, along with all my lovely patrons.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.